Okay, Pax has been using his crayons since the start of the school year. The crayons were initially, that means in the beginning, 2.5 inches long, which means 2.5 inches long. I'm going to write that out here to the side so we remember that. He measures their current length using an inch ruler. What line plot best represents the lengths of the crayon? If I come down here and I look at these line plots, I see that they are measured to the nearest quarter inch. So it'd be a good idea when I measure these to measure them to the nearest quarter inch. So what I should first do is I should come up and I should look at the length of each of these crayons. And I'm going to write out to the side what the length is. Well, this one I see is 2 inches exactly. This one I can see it is 2 3/4 inches. Over here is 2 1/4. I can just put that right up there. Down here, I see 2 1/4. Okay, I'm going to leave those up there. Remember, you can always write all over these questions, whatever helps you. So now I know down here that I definitely should have only 4 X's because each X represents one crayon, and I see all the line plots have 4 X's. Now let me see if I can eliminate just like I did on the last one. Okay, let me start with 2 inches over here. There should only be one crayon that is 2 inches long. So let's come to 2 inches. 1 crayon, 2 inches, 1 crayon, 2 inches, 1 crayon, 2 inches, 2 crayons. Well, I know there aren't 2, so I can eliminate this answer choice. Okay, 2 1/4. I have 2 crayons that are 2 1/4 inches long. So 2 1/4 should have 2 X's above it to represent 2 crayons. So let's come to 2 1/4. Ooh, this one doesn't have any crayons above it, so I can eliminate that answer choice. 2 1/4, 2, which is correct, 2. 2 1/4, 0. I can eliminate that, and there is my answer. And I could double check and see if there's one crayon that's 2 3/4 inches on here, but it looks like oh my goodness, I made a mistake, didn't I? That should be 1 3/4 inches. Good thing that I went back and double checked because everybody makes mistakes, okay? Even adults. So 1 3/4 inches. And it does match up. There's one crayon. If you caught my mistake earlier, I bet that was driving you crazy as you watched this. And I bet you're very glad that I caught that error.